Welcome the our channel. Today we how to enable SSO login using Auth0 and Bubble, complete guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Bubble account and open the application where you want to enable single sign-on, or SSO. Next, navigate to the Plugins tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Add Plugins button and search for Auth0 in the search bar. Once you find the Auth0 plugin, click on the Install button to add it to your application. After installing the plugin, head to the API section in your Bubble app settings. In the API settings, locate the section for API keys and set up the Auth0 API key. To do this, log into your Auth0 account and create a new application if you haven't already. Select Regular Web Application as the application type. Once the application is created, navigate to the Settings tab of your Auth0 application. Here, you will find the domain and client ID keys. Copy the domain and client ID values and paste them into the corresponding fields in your Bubble API settings. Next, go to the Advanced Settings in your Auth0 application settings. Under the Allowed Web Origins section, make sure to add your Bubble app URL. This will enable Auth0 to communicate with your Bubble application. Return to your Bubble app and set up a workflow for the login process. Choose the event that triggers the login action, for example, a button click. In the workflow, use the action provided by the Auth0 plugin to authenticate the user. Make sure to configure the action settings to specify the login redirect URL. This URL should correspond to the page where users will land after successful authentication. Additionally, handle any errors by specifying what should happen when authentication fails. Test your setup by previewing your application and attempting to log in with Auth0. Ensure that the login process directs you back to Bubble with the proper authentication. Finally, check the user database in Bubble to confirm that new users are being added correctly through the SSO process. With these steps completed, you have successfully enabled SSO login in your Bubble application using Auth0. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.